In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a fresh table in Freshsales CRM. Whether you're new to Freshsales or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will help you get a handle on creating custom tables within your CRM to better organize your data. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to freshsales.com. Once you're on the home page, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to the main dashboard, which is the starting point for managing your customer relationships. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and find the admin settings. Clicking here will lead you to a comprehensive suite of options where you can tailor your CRM environment to better suit your business needs. It's the control center for everything from user management to data customization. Once you're in the admin settings, look for the option labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Click on this to open up the settings specific to managing the core components of your CRM. Here, you can modify existing records or, as we'll do today, add new modules. Now, locate the Custom Modules option. This is where you can create entirely new tables that are specific to your business requirements. Think of custom modules as blank canvases where you can define precisely what kind of data you want to capture. Click on Custom Modules to proceed. You should now see an Add Module button. Click this to start creating your new table. When you add a module, you're essentially setting up a new category within your CRM that can track whatever specific information you need. You'll be prompted to enter a few details about your new module, the singular and plural names, as well as an internal name. The singular name is what you'll use when referring to a single record, while the plural name is used for lists. The internal name is a unique identifier used within the system. It's crucial to choose names that are intuitive and align with the type of data you'll be storing. After entering the names, select an icon that visually represents your module. This icon will appear alongside your module in the CRM interface, so choose something that makes the module easily identifiable at a glance. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Save. This action will finalize the creation of your new table and add it to your CRM. Now, with your new module created, you have the flexibility to add fields. These fields represent the individual data points you want to capture within your module. For instance, if your module is tracking customer feedback, you might want fields for customer name, feedback type, and comments. The ability to add fields allows you to customize the data structure to fit your exact needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a fresh table in Freshsales CRM. This process allows you to tailor the CRM to better fit your business model, ensuring all your data is organized in a way that is meaningful and accessible to your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.